Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are continuing the session of circles JEE mains. JEE mains circles chapter. Circles. And here in this the topic name is power of a point and position of a point of God. Power of a point and position of a chord. This is the topic name here. From this topic we have to solve a question here. The question number is 18. The power of 1 comma 1 with respect to circle that is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0 and is 3 then k is equal to how much? This is the question. First we have to understand the question here. The power of 1 comma 1 with respect to this circle is 3 is given. Then he is asking to find the value of k here. And power of circle is nothing but s 1 is equal to 0. And here the given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0 here. And let's substitute 1 here, 1 square plus 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus k here is equal to 3. 1 square plus 1 minus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to k is equal to 3 here. And here 5 minus 1 here 5 minus 4 is 1 here 5 minus 4 3 plus 1 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 4 is 1 plus k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 3 minus 1 k is equal to 2. This is the value of k here and this is about the question here. And the next topic and the next question is the same topic. Here in the same topic one more question. Power of a point and a chord. Question is a chord of length 24 units. A chord of length is 24 units and is at a distance of 5 units from the center of the circle. Then its radius is this is the question here. First question number 21 here. So the solution is first understand the question. A chord of a length is 24 units is at a distance of 5 units from the center. So the diagram for this question is I am drawing a chord here. This is a chord of length having 24 units and the circle is having centers here. From the center to the chord the distance is 5 units. So here if you make a triangle we can find the radius here. This is nothing but radius. This is r. So from the Pythagoras theorem, so r square plus 5 square is equal to r square is equal to 5 square plus here this total chord length is center here. This is 12 and this is also 12 here. 12 square here. So r square is equal to 25 plus 144. R square is equal to 169. R is equal to square root of 169, that is equal to 13. R is equal to 13 units. This is the radius of this circle here. And the next question is tangent and normal. Topic name is tangent and normal here. This is the topic name, and in this the question number 23 here. The length of the tangent from 1, 1 to the circle is given, that is 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x plus 3y and plus 1 is equal to 0 is. And here this is the question here. The length of the tangent from 1, 1 to circle into x square plus 2y square plus 5x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the circle here, and I'm writing the circle here. Drawing a circle. This is the circle is in the form of ax square, but our general form of circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2bx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. See, here we have a quotient, so I am dividing the total equation with 2, so then it will become 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. And from this circle, the center is, what will be the center here? Center C is equal to, this is 2g minus, here we got minus g. Minus g is nothing but minus 5 by 4 here half of this one. This is also minus 3 by 4. Center we got. R is equal to how much? 5 by minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4, 3 by 4 whole square minus R 1 by 2. If you solve this one, so 25 by 16 and plus 9 by 16 minus 1 by 2. If we take LCM, R is equal to LCM 25 plus 9 minus 8 by 16, that is nothing but 26 by 16. So here 1 by 4 of root 26. This is the R here, and he is saying the length of the tangent from 1, 1. Here minus 5 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 is the center, and the tangent is lengthened. This is 1, 1, and this distance is, this is R. R is here we got 1 by 4 into square root of 26. This is the R value, and here the distance of this value is, this is the question, this is the length of tangent here, this is the tangent, this is the length of tangent. Here we need to find, this is the question mark here, but from these two we can find the distance also. So the minus 5 by 4 minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 by 4 minus 1 whole square, square root of. This is the distance of 1, 1 to, consider this is A, this is C. So AC distance is equal, LCM is 4, 5 by minus 4 whole square, next minus 3 minus 4 by 4 whole square. So minus 9 by 4 whole square plus minus 7 by 4 whole square. This is square root of. So 81 by 16 plus 49 by 16. So LCM is 16 here. So 81 plus 40. So 90 plus 40. 90 plus 40 is 130. 130 by 60 here. So this is square root here again, and if you cancel it here, 1 by 4 of root 130 here. This is the theorem, we can solve the value of length of tangent here. This is somewhat lengthy, but we need to solve the question in faster way. So Pythagoras theorem, 1 by 4 root 130 whole square is equal to length of tangent L square plus 1 by 4 into root 26 whole square. Here square and root can cancel. 1 by 4 is nothing but 130 by 16 and L square plus square and root can cancel. 1 by 26 by 16. Let's change this cell to right hand side. L square is equal to 130 minus 16, 26 by 16. So take LCM is 16 here. 130 minus 16 is nothing but 104. 104 by 16. So L square is equal to 104 by 16. And 2 8 ja, 252 ja, and 2 4 ja, 2 ja, and 2 4 ja here. Sorry, 2 6 ja, 2 6 ja, and 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 13 ja. L square is equal to 13 by 2 and L is equal to square root of 13 by 2. This is the answer for this question. And first we need to convert this into x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c equal 0. From this circle equation we need to find the center and radius, and this is at the tangent from 1,1, 2 distance here. From this we can find the distance of this. From these 2 points we can find the distance. This is hypotenuse and we got radius, and from this Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of the tangent here. The length of the tangent here. And the next question is (27th question). The line 4y minus 3x plus lambda is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 4x minus 8y minus 5 is equal to 0, then lambda is equal to question mark. Here first we need to understand the question here. 27th question, the line 4y minus 3x plus lambda is equal to 0 touches the circle. This is the circle. He is given one circle. I am assuming this is the one circle here, and this is circle having center C here, and circle equation. This is the S is equal to 0 circle equation, and we have a tangent. Touches the circle is nothing but simply we can call it as tangent. Touches the circle, and this is touching the circle here. From this center to this line we can call this as perpendicular distance. If you is given the perpendicular distance is, and here we need to find the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is nothing but radius here. So from this circle x square, the solution is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equals 0. This is the circle equation here, and from this circle the center h comma k or minus b comma minus f, that is 2 comma 4. This is the center, and the radius r is equal to 2 square 4 plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 minus become plus 5 minus 6 is equal to 25, that is equal to 5. R is equal to, we have 5. This is 5 units here. R we got 5 units, and he is given one line 4y minus 3x plus lambda is equal to 0. This is the line equation. 4y minus 3x plus lambda is equal to 0. This is the line equation, and from this line equation I am finding perpendicular distance here. plus c by square root of a square plus b square is equal to perpendicular distance. Here he is given 5. Here we got perpendicular distance is 5. So if you substitute the values here, a here minus 3 into x is nothing but just substitute the center, and plus b into b is nothing but 4. Next here 4 plus lambda, we don't know the lambda value, divided by a square is nothing but here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5, and minus 6 here, minus 6, I'm solving here, minus 6 plus 16 plus lambda divided by, here 3 square is 9, 9 plus 16 square root of here 5. So minus plus 10 lambda divided by 5 is equal to 5. 10 plus lambda is equal to 25. Lambda is equal to, here if we check to right hand side, this is minus 6, 3 2 and 4 4 16 plus 10 lambda by here. So 10 lambda is equal to 25 minus 10. So that lambda is equal to here we got 15. This is the answer for lambda. And the next question is in the circles touching coordinate axis and intersect form. Circles touching coordinate axis and coordinate axis and intersects an axis. This is the question here. This is the topic here. In this topic, the question, the circle with center. Question number 37. The circle with center. The circle with center 4 minus 1 and touching x-axis and touching x-axis is here. He is given the question, the circle with the center 4 1 and touching the x-axis. I am taking coordinate axis here. Listen carefully. This is simple question, and this is coordinate axis. This is x dash and y dash. So here we need to plot the center first. 4 minus 1. I am taking 1 2 3 4 points here, and 1 2 1 2 1 2 4 minus 1. Here if I am taking 1 2 3 4 x coordinate, minus 1 is here. This is the center. This is the center. From this center touching x-axis, it should touch the x-axis is nothing but this is the circle. This is having center of 4 minus 1. This is the center here, and from this center we need to find the circle equation. This center is having indirectly radius equal to 1 unit, and here we want we have center and radius. So we can find the circle equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. X minus here 4 minus 4 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 1 square. So x square, and directly writing the answer x square plus y square. Next minus 8x plus 2y. Here plus 16. Here plus 1 equal to 1 here. This is 1 square 1. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 12y. 16. This one will get cancelled. That is equal to 16 is equal to. This is the equation of circle. Simply we can find the diagram here. we are getting radius as 1 unit here. From the radius and center, we can find the circle equation. And the next one is parametric equations. Next topic is parametric equation. You can solve all the questions by your own. If you have any doubt, you can pick me a WhatsApp. Parametric equations. So in that first question, 48 parametric equations of circle. Parametric circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. Or whenever here we need to find the parametric circle's equation, the solution is given the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. So it is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square, which is causing, which is having center is origin 0, 0, and from this x is equal to the parametric equation a cos theta. Sorry, r cos theta. Here a is nothing but r only. This is r, we can write it y is equal to r sin theta. Just substitute x is equal to r is nothing but here 6 4 cos theta and y is equal to 4 sin theta. This is the solution for this one. And the next question is next, chord of contact and pole. Chord of contact and pole. Chord of contact and pole here. And the chord of contact, 2, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. And S1 here, if you want to find, this is question number 51, if you want to find the chord of contact here, just we need to find H1 is equal to 0. H1 is equal to 0 is nothing but here is given the equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus 2 into x plus x1 plus 2 into question 4x plus 4y. Okay, right. 2 into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0 here. Just here this is x1 and y1. So let's substitute the values here. 2x and y plus 2 into x plus 2 and plus 2 into y plus 1 and plus c is equal to here 1 here. This is c only. Okay, right. It's equal to 1 here. Let's multiply here 2x plus y, 2x plus 4 and 2x plus 4 2y plus 2 plus 1 and 2x plus 2x 4x and y plus 2y plus 3y and 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. This is the equation of chord of contact here. And the next question is The chord and with chord with midpoint here. Chord with midpoint. The next question is chord with midpoint, and the next question 63. Chord with midpoint. The question is the equation of a chord is equal to x square plus y square, chord of x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 0, plus 3 is equal to 0, and whose midpoint is 1 comma 2. Whose midpoint is 1 comma minus 2 is 1 comma minus 2 is. And the solution for this one, this is the question of 63 here. And the equation of chord of this circle equation here, we have circle, and that is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we need to find the equation of a chord here, equation of chord, and the midpoint is 1 comma minus 2 here, chord, and this is circle s is equal to 0, and here the condition is s is equal to s1, then only we can find the equation here. S is equal to s1 here, s1 is nothing but s1 is equal to xx1 plus yy1 minus 2 into x plus x1 plus 3 into y plus y1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's substitute this point in this expression. X into 1 plus y into minus 2 and minus 2 into x plus 1 and plus 3 into y plus minus 2 and plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's solve this one. X plus x minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 2x minus 2 plus 3y minus 6 plus 3 is equal to 0 here. And x into minus 2x minus x and minus 2y plus 3y plus y and minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus 5 is equal to 0 here. If you take minus x, 1 is a common, x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of chord here. This is the equation of chord, and this is all about the chord with midpoint question. And the final topic in this module here, final topic, circle relative positions. Circles relative positions. In the first question is the circles x square plus y square minus double x plus 8y plus 48 is equal to 0, and one more circle is given, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 4r is equal to 0 r. Optionally is given intersecting, not intersecting, and touching internally. One is lying on other side. So he is given, this is the question number is 66 here. So the solution is, just here we require the options, because here is asking the nature of these two circles here, and from this circle, first circle x square plus y square minus 12x plus 8y plus 48 equal to 0, and this is one circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is one more circle here, and from this circle center is equal to minus g. G is minus 6 here, minus and this is minus 4. Center, this is C1 and C2 is equal to C1 C2 C1 C2 2 comma minus 1, and R1 is equal to 36 plus 16 minus 48, and R2 is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4 here, and R2 is equal to, here we got 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9. R2 is equal to 3 here. R2 we got 3 here, and here 36 plus 16. 36 plus 16 is equal to 52 minus 48. That is nothing but 52 minus 48 is 4. Square root of 4. That is equal to 2 here. R1 we got R1 and R2 we got here, and C1 C2. The distance between C1 and C2 we need to find. C1 C2. C2 2 minus 6 whole square and plus minus 1 plus 4 whole square, minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Then it will give minus 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. Therefore 16 plus 9, that is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. And C1 C2 and R1 plus R2 we need to find first. The relation between these two we should find. C1 C2 here we got 5, and R1 plus R2 2 plus 3, that is also 5. So C1 C2 is equal to R1 R2 we got here. This is the condition. From this condition we can say these two circles touching each other at one point. So this is the condition for this is the question, and this is all about the JEE mains module 1 questions. By your own you can solve all the questions in the material here. You can solve module 2 and module 3 also. If you have any doubt you can ping me in WhatsApp or app. Thank you. One and all.